Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy FOXY coin, meme coin on any of the platforms they offer. So as you can see, the contract is Linea. It's an underrated network. As you can see, the FOXY markets are Linux Fusion, OKX, Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin, Bitmart. So for today I'm just going to choose Bybit. And also you need to have USDT on Bybit to buy this coin. So you can go ahead and trade it actually, or just convert it, but you can go ahead and buy on the spot. So I'm just gonna click spot trading and this will open up now. Now here you can go ahead and search for a FOXY USDT. And now it's a little bit in the dip, so you can actually buy it and you can spend as much as USDT you want and buy FOXY just like so, and just click right there, buy FOXY, and you will be able to do this. And that's basically it. If this guide was useful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.